Welcome back to my YouTube channel AYUACT, simple English and fun loving activities for kids. So basically हमारे चैनल पे आपको मिलेगा इंग्लिश कंटेंट, सिंपल इंग्लिश कंटेंट, जिससे आप अपने बच्चों को घर पर सिंपल एक्टिविटीज के थ्रू आप इंग्लिश समझा सकते हैं. माई चैनल इज नॉट अबाउट आई एम नॉट assuring someone that I'm gonna teach grammar rule and language. I'm not gonna teach something. I'm gonna just share something that I do with my son, and now he's a 4 years old. He can speak English well. So I share all these activities I perform with my son, so you can perform with your. They might be able to speak the language. Our kids are not having the access of this language. Like if we know the language, if we are very comfortable the language, we are not habitual to speak the language at home. As our kids are not having the access of the language, we have to provide the environment where they can enhance their vocabulary, where they can enhance their speaking skills. So I just share the videos regarding that. I make Ayu perform the simple activity, as I told, like the role play activity. Sometimes I make a list of the 15 sentence and then make him practice that 15 sentence for the next 1 week. I talk to him on a different topic so he can use the language as much as he can. This video is the introduction of my channel. I posted a video regarding the introduction of my channel, but that time I was not having that much content on my channel, so I thought I should make one more video. Who already have subscribed to my channel, they know what kind of content I post on my channel. Those who are new, I want to share that I upload videos related to the kids, some simple English and fun loving activities, simple English for the beginners also, so how they can start speaking in English, reading, writing, listening and speaking. You have to work on this four step. It's a 4-step program. We all are aware of it, but we have to work on it. And when it comes to kids, they are very small. First, they are not having the environment. Like we are speaking in our mother tongue. We speak Hindi at home, and we are expecting that our child should start speaking in the English language, because it's important. Just because this is a language is being spoken at his school. This is the language in which he's gonna continue his study. Channel is all about this. Yeah, and beside this, share some fun learning activities, how we can keep our kids engaged in the activities which help them to learn something new on the daily basis, and how we can engage them in doing something productive, and some other fun learning activities. So this is all about my channel. I hope you like my channel, and if you like my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe so I can share the more content. Like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, please. Thank you so much.